Greetings, it is I, the Crypto Professor. Welcome to Crypto Community College. Alright, coming at ya with your first quick lecture. We're going to talk about what is the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized network facilitating and verifying transactions on an immutable distributed ledger. It is encrypted. It uses cryptographic validation to link each block. It uses public and private keys to maintain security. So, for instance, in the case of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, your public key is what allows other people and yourself to send cryptocurrency into a particular wallet or a particular place, and the private keys are what allow you to access those cryptocurrencies. So your private keys you need to keep secure, whereas your public key is what you use to enact transactions with that wallet or what have you. So in the blockchain, each block references and identifies the previous block by a hashing function. That's some cryptography action which we're not going to go into detail about right now. So the blockchain ledger is not stored in a central location or managed by a governing body, but it's distributed and decentralized so that anyone can maintain a copy. This means that there is no single point of failure. It is a decentralized trust network. The transaction history, i.e. blockchain, is open for everyone and anyone to see. So new transactions are added irreversibly and no one can tamper with it once it goes on the blockchain. Blockchain gives you assurance, a constant that you can rely on. A bedrock you know will not change once you put something on it. A transaction will only be verified if it follows the rules. This is one of the revolutionary aspects of blockchain. It makes things unforgeable. People are able to trust the technology, and the technology itself can make sure that the work gets done, whatever it is. And this relates to smart contracts, which we'll talk about when we talk about Ethereum. With blockchain's inherent consensus-based validation, the need for third-party organizations is grossly reduced, if not eliminated. This reduces the power of monopolies in the financial system and many other systems. It also reduces corruption due to the public and distributed and decentralized nature of the blockchain. This is another revolutionary aspect of blockchain technology. There is no central authority, so it eliminates the need for controlling centralized organizations. In other words, it eliminates the middleman in a huge way. The nature of blockchain technology gives it potential for use in many, many areas. Managing assets, product tracking, authentication, date stamping events, identity, the list goes on and on. And we'll talk about all these things in the future. Major companies are already working with blockchain technology such as Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, Intel, and many others. So the revolution has begun. And it's only just begun. Many exciting things have already happened, but in a major way, we're still very early in implementation of this technology and realizing the potential of everything that it can do. So, what are some of the drawbacks or potential drawbacks? There can still be hacks targeting systems connected with blockchains. So for example, cryptocurrency exchanges. There have already been several major hacks of exchanges. Cryptocurrency wallets have been hacked. Smart contracts. If there's a bug in the code or a potential exploit that people have not realized yet, hackers or coders can exploit those vulnerabilities in the code or the smart contracts. Websites connected to blockchain projects or cryptocurrency can be hacked, etc. So these are technologies that are associated with the blockchain Another drawback is that there can be disagreements as to how exactly a particular blockchain should operate. And an obvious example of this is all of this Bitcoin forking that's happening now. This is another thing we'll talk about shortly in the future here on this channel. There's all these disagreements as to how exactly the Bitcoin blockchain should move forward. Therefore, it ends up forking, and you have multiple Bitcoin blockchains. So you have the original Bitcoin, now you have Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, and there's an upcoming fork happening soon in a week or so. All right, that's your quick lecture for the day today. This is the Crypto Professor signing off. This is Crypto Community College. Emphasis on community. You can follow me on Twitter at EverydayWilliam. Follow me on Instagram, the Crypto Prof. Much love. Peace.